Aloha and welcome to Among the Jungle on YouTube. I'm so thankful for your guys' encouragement to start this channel, to expand on some of the botanical things we've been learning on the podcast and on our TikTok channel. I'm Shai Kaina, botanist, environmentalist, and host of Among the Jungle podcast, where we interview incredible plant people from around the world to explore some pretty amazing things they're doing with plants, so we can deepen our relationship with the natural world and become better stewards of this planet. On this channel, we'll explore botany, sustainability, homesteading, organics, gardening, all the botanical things. So thank you so much for being here, for embarking upon this journey with me, and I look forward to where it takes us. I'll see you all very soon. Love, light, and aloha.